Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a shake to reveal feature on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we need to create a story on Instagram. I'm just going to click on your story, and then I'm gonna upload a photo from my gallery. For example, I'm going to upload this photo to my story, and then we can click on the sticker icon and click on the frames. Okay, and choose a photo you want to add to the frame. And I'm just going to add this photo, for example, and then we can add a caption right here. For example, I'm just going to add guess what. Okay, once you're done adding the caption, you can click on done. Then you can read in the description, guys. People can shake this photo to reveal it, and you can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can adjust the position. You can place this frame to any part of your story. I'm just going to place it right here, and then once you're ready to share the story, you just need to click on your story. Okay, and now the story is being uploaded, and just hold on until the uploading process completed. Okay, and this is the result guys. If we want to reveal it, we have to tap or shake on the frame. Alright guys, then that's how we can get a shake to reveal feature on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.